All right, so we're going to do a little series here about Google Sites and building a website. So to start off with, I wanted a little inspiration. So I found a website that I kind of liked. It's got a banner, and I kind of liked how it had these stories down below. And so I went and determined what I wanted my site to look like. So it's always good to start off with some um, layout and some navigation. So I want a home page with two categories, tech and astronomy, and these are the stories that I'm going to have underneath there. And what I'm going to show you how to do in this series is construct a website like this one. So we're going to learn how to put in the header, the navigation, your titles with background graphics, different sections with text, as well as pictures and links. And then you're going to make interior pages that have pictures and stories within. So that's what we're going to work on in this little series on creating websites in Google Sites.